Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by powering the Rav4 to ACC or on so the head unit is active. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and set it to discoverable. This lets the car find your device. Next, on the infotainment screen, choose the Bluetooth or phone setup and pick Add New Device. You do these steps now to initiate pairing. Doing them first prevents idle timeouts and ensures both systems are ready to exchange authentication codes. After your phone appears on the Rav4 display, tap it to start the secure pairing handshake. Make sure the PIN displayed on both the car screen and your phone matches exactly, then accept or confirm on both devices. This verifies you are connecting to the right gadget. Once paired, allow permissions for contacts and messages so calls and caller ID work properly. If prompted, set the phone as primary for autoconnect. This saves you from repeating the setup each drive. You finish by testing a phone call and playing music to confirm audio routes through the Rav4 speakers and microphone. If everything sounds right, set the phone as the priority or enable autoconnect in the Bluetooth settings so it joins automatically next time. If pairing fails, try these steps. Restart your phone and the infotainment system, remove old paired devices from the car and phone, and check for software or map updates. This troubleshooting often resolves conflicts and reconnects you reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.